Like it smells so good, like really good. And hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Prity. I hope you all are doing great and safe. So guys, spring is right around the corner and it's time to completely revamp your skincare regime, because in winter season we need heavy and thick moisturizer, but in spring season we don't need that much. We just need a good moisturizer and a good SPF cream. That's it. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing my tips and trick which I do follow to get a softer and hydrated skin. And also I'm gonna reviewing about this product which I'm currently using. This is from Wow Skin Science. It's a green tea body lotion. This retails for 399 rupees for 400 ml. I've been using this body lotion for a couple of weeks and I'm just loving this body lotion. And it has a very calming and soothing type of a fragrance. Like it smells so good, like really good. And I really like this kind of products जिनकी fragrance काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी हो and you know skin के लिए भी अच्छा work करता हो. So this body lotion has everything. It's designed for dull and aging skin. It's a mineral oil and silicone free formula, dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin type, even mature skin. Now I'll just take a little bit of this and show this to you. It's a thick formula yet lightweight. Once it's absorbed by the skin, it does not leave any stickiness or greasiness to your skin. It's just so moisturizing, guys. I have many other body lotions, but you know I need to reapply them like 2 to 3 times in a day. But you know what, ever since I started using this body lotion, I don't need to reapply it. It's just so moisturizing. Now let's talk about their key ingredients. It has a purified water, stearic acid, green tea extract, shea butter, cocoa butter, hyaluronic acid and many good other ingredients, guys. So we already know that green tea is a powerful antioxidant and antibacterial agent for treating acne and helps to fight against infection and bacteria. Then it has a shea butter. It softens dry skin while sealing in hydration. It's rich in fatty acid, antioxidant and vitamins. Also it has a cocoa butter which is a rich moisturizer. It fights signs of aging and also heals sensitive skin. Guys, isn't so great कि इतनी सारी good ingredients है इस bottle में with this price like 399 rupees, guys. I mean it's quite inexpensive with these kind of ingredients. So guys, next it has a hyaluronic acid which provides moisture or hydration into your skin. Also it reduces appearance of wrinkles, which I can genuinely see. Like मेरे ऐसे फिंगर्स पे wrinkles काफ़ी ज़्यादा appear होते हैं ड्राइनेस की वजह से. And also one of the main reason is dehydration. And also like knees and elbows पे भी wrinkles हो जाते हैं जो कि you know अच्छा नहीं लगता दिखने में. एंड वहाँ की स्किन भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा थिक होती है, इस वजह से हमारे को वहाँ पे हमेशा टाइम टू टाइम यू नो एक्सफोलिएट करना चाहिए. लाइक मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ, टाइम टू टाइम एक्सफोलिएट करती हूँ. बट यू नो वॉट, आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस बॉडी लोशन आई कैन सी अ डिफरेंस. नॉट वेरी मच बट यू नो a slight difference. Definitely recommend this body lotion to you. जिनके साथ भी ऐसी सेम कंडीशन है, ड्राई एंड रिंकल्स वाली फिंगर्स हैं, देन गाइज आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप टाइम टू टाइम एक्सफोलिएट करो अपनी स्किन को एंड अच्छे से अपनी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करके रखे. एंड डोंट डेयर टू स्किप सनस्क्रीन, बिकॉज सनस्क्रीन भी हमारी स्किन को, हमारी फेस की स्किन को जितना प्रोटेक्ट करता है उतनी हमारी बॉडी की स्किन को भी प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सो सनस्क्रीन इज मस्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद यू गाइज, डैम स्किन में अगर आप कोई सा भी मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई करते हो या फिर कोई सा भी लोशन आप अप्लाई करते हो तो वो मॉइस्चर लॉक इन कर लेता है एंड काफी टाइम तक हमारी स्किन हाइड्रेटेड रहती है. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई रियली होप दैट यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, this review video. If you really did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you for watching.